The orange is for you, Dominic. So please keep in mind. Package from Krakow. I don't know the city or whatever is that. Paco something from our friend Dominic. Okay, let's check it out and let's film everything in case we die. Should I cut now? Should have brought the army knife to cut it out. Okay, this looks complicated. Let's do that. Keep the knife close in case we need to fight with something alive inside. Wireless gateway. Oh man, I really hope it's some vodka here, not wireless stuff. Okay, I guess we're rolling with both of them. Do I have to cut this one also, or should I just... Aye, motherfucker. I'll break it. Bum bum bum. Fragile, where fragile? Ah, okay, so I broke it. Oh, fucking vodka. Okay, that's a bomb. And I think I dropped it. The bomb. Nah, I can't believe it, bro. This is way cooler than the... Oh my god, I really hope I'm getting the sound of this. You broke one. This is not okay. What are you doing here, mate? Ah, cool gift, man. Where I can put up this, and did you have that many? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 of them. Okay, so this jewel is going into the collection from when I'll have the motor camp ready. You fucking bastard. Oh yeah, almost forgot about the main thing. The some books he published something. I don't know. It's some photography. I think. Huge waste of paper or something. I'm not sure. Something about Balkans or whatever he travels at. Yeah, and I hope you see it's damaged by the nails. Should have packed them better. So this one is for Andre because it's damaged, and I'll have the good one. Thank you, bro. We'll have this up at the collection. See you.